Starting a construction business can be a rewarding experience, but it also requires a significant amount of planning and work. But if you're not sure about which business idea is best for your interests, then in this video, we are sharing a list of 20 best profitable business ideas in construction industry. Number 1. Contracting business. Offer general contracting services to homeowners and businesses. Number 2. Renovation business. Specialize in renovations and remodeling for homes and commercial buildings. Number 3. Landscaping business. Create beautiful outdoor spaces for residential and commercial properties. Number 4. Home staging business. Help homeowners and real estate agents prepare properties for sale by styling and furnishing them. Number 5. Demolition business. Offer demolition services for buildings and structures. Number 6. Flooring business. Install and repair flooring for residential and commercial properties. Number 7. Painting business. Provide interior and exterior painting services for homes and businesses. Number 8. Roofing business. Install and repair roofs for residential and commercial properties. Number 9. Plumbing business. Offer plumbing services for homes and businesses. Number 10. HVAC business. Installing and repair heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems. Number 11. Electric business. Provide electrical services for homes and businesses. Number 12. Concrete business. Offer concrete installation and repair services. Number 13. Masonry business. Specialize in brick, stone, and other masonry work for homes and commercial buildings. Number 14. Windows and doors. Install and repair windows and doors for residential and commercial properties. Number 15. Carpentry business. Offer carpentry services for buildings and repairing structures. Number 16. Siding business. Install and repair siding for homes and commercial buildings. Number 17. Foundations business. Specialize in foundation repair and installation for homes and commercial buildings. Number 18. Fences business. Install and repair fences for residential and commercial properties. Number 19. Insulation business. Provide insulation services for homes and businesses. And number 20. Project management services. Offer project management services to help clients plan and execute their construction projects. Starting a construction business can be challenging, but with careful planning and hard work, it can also be a very rewarding venture. Best of luck to you!